If you have osteoarthritis in your hips or knees, the stairs can often be the first place you notice it. That sharp pinch, the lack of stability, or that feeling that your knee might give way. Now, many of the women that I work with often tell me that stairs are their biggest frustration. And like them, you've probably tried to just keep moving, but long walks don't actually prepare your body for the specific challenge of walking downstairs. So today I'm going to show you why stairs are so difficult and how you can change that in just 15 minutes a day. Now, according to the charity Arthritis Action, breaking a movement into short, specific blocks is the best way to avoid those hips and knees, those joints feeling worse. But more importantly, we need to look at the mind-muscle connection. So think of your brain as a control center and your muscles as the support team for your joints. So the mind-muscle connection is the quality of the phone signal between the two. So when you have arthritis, that signal often gets fuzzy. Because of the pain, your brain starts forgetting how to use certain muscles to support your hip or your knee. Instead of your muscles catching your weight when you step down a step, they stay quiet. And all that force crashes directly into your joint. Now, most people think they just need stronger legs. But what you actually need is better mind-muscle connection. In the rehab world, we call this neuromuscular control. It's simply the ability of your brain to tell your muscles to support your joint at the exact moment your foot hits the stairs. Now, I don't want you to spend an hour in the gym. I want you to spend 15 minutes on the missing link. Specific exercises that teach your hips and knees how to stabilize before your foot even hits the next step. This is the difference between a painful step and an intentional step. It's about building a support system so you can follow the grandkids down the slide or carry the Hoover upstairs without fear. You don't have to be resigned to taking the stairs one by one for the rest of your life. I have a free guide ready for you right now. It's called How to Make Stairs Feel Easier Without Aggravating Knee or Hip Arthritis. And in there, I'll show you 3 simple exercises to get you walking down the stairs safely with more confidence and control without aggravating your arthritis. Click the link below this video and get started today.